Y'all, it seems like yesterday I was doing a video in this room showing you a room reveal. One of my first videos on YouTube. Cringe-worthy. Y'all check it out, though, if you get a chance. We went from toddler room to teen room, and now we are teen room to an adult room. Magnolia is 21 years old. She will be graduating college in May. And I decided to redo her room because I was able to score this gorgeous headboard from Habitat for Humanity. I showed y'all this in the haul. This beautiful queen size tufted headboard came from Habitat for Humanity, and it was a whopping $30. This headboard retails for over $700, and it is a true forever piece. It's in a beautiful beige color. So when she saw this over the summer, she immediately wanted to paint her walls. So what she decided to do was pick out the color Cameo White. We had some extra paint from a project that we did downstairs in the family room. So she painted the walls white. And then, y'all, she went away to school, and the room was left with me, a headboard, a painted wall, and a room full of clothes. She, went to school, okay? So that's why I wanted to surprise her. I did the rest with her approval on the colors. She said she wanted the walls white, which she painted before she left. She loved the headboard, and so the next color she wanted was to use blush in this room. So I decided to accent the room with the color blush. And another thing that she wanted was to use the metal gold, okay? Now, I'm not too much of a gold on gold, silver on silver type person, but I did use touches of gold in here per her request. But again, she told me she liked it, so I guess I did good. Across the top, guys, I did a DIY on that hardware that came from Kirkland's. It looks really pretty. It's coming off a lot darker. Let's see, can I lighten it up a little bit? Yeah, there we go. It's in a pretty gold. That looks really nice across the top. And as we come down, again, the bedding. She wanted the cream colors. Oh, yeah, y'all, she actually picked out the comforter also. So the comforter set, which came with the 2 shams, the 3 decorative pillows, the comforter, and the bed skirt, that all had her approval. Only thing I did was went in and picked up some really pretty blush sheets. That is so pretty. These pillows also came from Ross. They are in a velvet-like material, and they have like a damask print. If you come down here, this little Dollar Tree pillow in this furry faux fur in a beautiful blush pink. I decided to use a fur throw at the base of her bed, along with one of her soft blankets. Just creating some movement for the eye. Over here, the throw that she decided to purchase, she bought this one, is a gold metallic throw. It's in a pretty pink. And those flecks of gold are just so pretty throughout it. So that's the bedding. Now, again, finding that headboard was a major score. Went inside my Habitat for Humanity and found another major score, the nightstand. The nightstand was $75. It replaced a table that we had over here that did not have drawers. I really like the way that looks. Y'all, it looks really sophisticated. It gave her room a more grown-up feel. Has like a smoke mirror. It does have 3 drawers, so she's able to store stuff there. On top, I decided to purchase these metallic lamps from Ross. This little positive affirmations. I'm all about positive affirmations. She believed she could, so she did. I picked that sign up from Home Goods. And y'all know it could not be the Frugal Nista if she didn't have a couple of free pieces in here. This beautiful bouquet of flowers, y'all, in the pretty blush pink and that gorgeous fuchsia. Y'all, this came from Home Goods, and again, it was absolutely free. Another freebie, this little trash can that she did a DIY on. She added some bling to this trash can that came from Home Goods. Now, as you come across this side of the room, as you can see, we still have her original forever piece. This is her original dresser that she's had since she was 3 years old. I would have loved to have found the matching piece to that nightstand, but since I didn't, we're just going to keep this. Love the way that turned out. So what I decided to do, I almost started to paint it, and then I said, no, I'm not going to take on a project like that. We're going to leave it as is. I'm going to dress it up with a few pieces on top. Y'all, another freebie is this gorgeous lamp. Let's see, can you get a better look at it? Y'all, this is I think it looks better with the light on. This is a free find lamp that I picked up from Home Goods. Look at that cute chicken wire and those beautiful metal flowers. Has like an aged look to it. Y'all know everything is country chic, or what's the other one? Farmhouse. So this is definitely a farmhouse piece, but I just thought this looked so pretty. I put that on her dresser. And then I know she's going to need places to house stuff. I had these little books in my guest bedroom, so I decided to put these here just for decoration. Okay. This little gold dog, he came from Dollar Tree. Another positive affirmation. I picked this book up from Burlington, I think. She's Going Places in pink. Cute little decorative pen. I think I picked it up from Dollar Tree. And y'all, look at this pretty night light lamp. Let me let y'all see how it looks without the light being on. It is so pretty. It adds dimension and fun, whimsy to this little table display. Love that. Hold on a minute. Let y'all see how it looks without the light on. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? I picked this up from Home Goods also. I don't know how much I paid for, but I knew that had to be coming home with me. It has a gold base, which is so cute. And again, it actually is a little night light, okay? This little sequin sign, this was a free find. It's actually a magnet board. She's able to put her little pictures on that if she wants to. But again, that sequence gives it such a pretty look. And that sequence is actually in silver. Like I said, I think it's kind of boring when you use all the same metals, but I think mixing the gold with the silver and then all the other textures just, you know, makes it something interesting for the eye. I know that's how I have to decorate. Again, we kept her original dresser, and this is how her dresser looks. All of this aging is actually for real. She's had this dresser since she was 3 years old. And look what I have over here, guys. This mirror over here is a free find. This came from Kirkland's. I got that all cleaned up, and that gorgeous mirror I actually free. Store got rid of it, and the frugal nieces decided to keep that. So it actually makes the room look bigger. At the bottom, both of that little M, I did a DIY on that. And another freebie is this little stool. Again, with that cute little sequence that I could do all day. Like I said, you can dress that look up or down. It just adds dimension to a room. And that pretty pink and silver. I just sat that in that corner. Now these curtains came from BJ's. I picked up 4 panels to go across, you know, each side of her room. She has 2 curtains in this room. Across the top, I'm using a silver curtain rod on both windows. Another forever piece is her chest of drawers, which matches her dresser. On top, more freebies. Another free bouquet of flowers. So pretty. This picture was free. And then I found a cute pair of glasses that I picked up from Burlington. And then I found her a little planner for 2020. So cute. Now, as you come on this side of the room, both of the lamps match, but the nightstands do not match, okay? I did not find an extra nightstand. If I did, I would have put it here, but since I didn't, I decided to leave the nightstand that she usually has. We used to have this draped with a piece of cloth, but I decided to expose it because I like the finish on that. That is so pretty. The same lamp, which came from Ross in that pretty mercury glass. This little gold picture frame I decided to leave here so she can put a picture of her and whatever in it. Picked it up for $3 from Home Goods, as you can see. I wanted a little bit of greenery on this side, and that's a free find plant that came from Home Goods also. Now, as we come on this side, guys, this rug actually came from Habitat for Humanity also. It's a beautiful plush rug in blush. Love that braided trim that's around it. So I have that in the front of her bed. Over here, we decided to remove her desk that used to sit here. And I just sat this chair here, which came from Habitat for Humanity. a nice place if she has a guest. They can sit down in here. She can take that chair and move it here if she wants to put her makeup on, you know, once she gets acclimated to this room. I just have a throw over here that I picked up from Burlington in a beautiful, soft baby pink. Now, what I wanted to do, guys, was using that black picture. I wanted to, for some reason, black is a non-color that basically binds the room to me. It gives the room like a structure. Like that table over there kind of anchors it over here. Over here, that anchors it over there. These pictures, to me, anchor this side with using the black and the pink. And then over here, this picture over here kind of anchors it that way. So I think all of these colors just match well, and I love the way that turned out. So pretty. Welcome home.
Hey.
I want to get your reaction.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay.
Nice. Finally done.
It's done. You like it?
Mirror.
Huh?
Look at the mirror.
Yeah, free fine mirror. Thank you, Kirkland.
Okay, Mom.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks for watching.